In this short video, we'll highlight the new features in MarketSight 10.1. We'll be showing major updates in charts and dashboards. We'll begin with charts. To demonstrate two of the new features, we'll edit this pie chart. In the chart editor, we've added a new tab that lets you control the chart colors right in MarketSight. You can still use the colors from your default template, as you see here. However, you can now select a custom theme, which is stored in your individual user options here. Within that custom theme, you can also control each individual color in the chart. For example, if you want to change this color, just click on it and pick a new color. You can also choose one of the new built-in themes listed below. The colors you select will be saved when you save this chart. The next new feature is the ability to resize charts and save that size with the chart. This is particularly useful when designing a chart that you know will go into a particular space in a dashboard. You'll see what I mean when we cover dashboards in a minute. To resize a chart, simply use the handles and drag it to the desired size, or on the Display tab, you can enter the exact dimensions in the width and height boxes. I also point out that MarketSight will automatically scale the text in the chart if it is resized. To control the fonts yourself with the settings below, just uncheck this box. The final new chart feature is the KPI, which is short for Key Performance Indicator. By this, we simply mean one important number that you'd like to show in a dashboard. In fact, a KPI in MarketSight is actually a chart type. Here's an example showing the percentage of users of the Apple iOS mobile phone operating system. As you can see when I open the editor, it's actually a special type of gauge that only shows the number. To make this gauge a KPI, select KPI from the Display tab. I've also made the font 24 point and removed the title. I've done this so it will be usable in a dashboard, which is what I'd like to show you next. Let's take a look at an example dashboard created in the latest version of MarketSight. In this dashboard, you'll notice several big changes from the way dashboards used to work. First, you'll notice that the layout is no longer strictly a rectangular grid where the individual cells are all the same size and arranged in a 2x2 or a 3x3 pattern. The new layout is completely flexible. You can place charts, crosstabs, and other items anywhere you want on the dashboard. Items can even overlap and appear in front of or behind other items. By going into edit mode, you can see that arranging and sizing items in dashboards is now done very much like the way you'd work in PowerPoint. Simply drag an item to where you want it to appear and use these handles to resize items. You can also format each item using the right-click menu and the Options dialog. The next big change in dashboards is the ability to add images. For example, these images represent the different mobile phone operating systems. To add an image, simply click on Add Item, then Add Image, and then select an image file from your computer. The MarketSight logo is also an image that we uploaded to this dashboard. Images can be used in a variety of different ways, as we'll show you in a minute with some of the other dashboard examples. We talked about KPIs when reviewing the new charting features. Here you can see how they might be used in a dashboard. Each KPI was selected and added from the list of charts and was placed next to the corresponding logo. Presenting information in this way makes it more visual and easier to quickly interpret. You might also have noticed these different labels within the dashboard. These different formatted text boxes were added by clicking Add Item and Add Text. The final major feature of new dashboards is a global filter that filters every chart, including KPIs, and every crosstab in a dashboard. This dashboard level filter is activated by checking this box and will appear here in the upper left-hand corner of the dashboard. By selecting the values on this drop-down menu, you can filter every item in the dashboard at once. In this case, we can see the market share numbers and brand preferences for specific income groups. Of course, you can also still show the individual interactive controls for each chart. The use of flexible layout, images, KPIs, and global filters can also be seen in this example of a dashboard showing polling results for the US presidential election. and in this example of a hotel review dashboard showing a different use of the same features. This latest release of MarketSight is really all about providing a flexible and powerful platform that enables you to create any kind of dashboard you can imagine. Whether you're an analyst working on your own to pull together several different charts in a single view, or if you're working closely with a graphic designer to create complex and detailed infographics that need to be connected with real data, MarketSight now has the capabilities to enable you to create the dashboards you envision. And, as always, remains the perfect platform for sharing those dashboards and any other MarketSight item for free using key findings. We hope you like these powerful new features, and thanks for watching.